Mountain Sports. Be kind, have fun, and do the right thing.
It's Mike Smith with Blue Ridge Mountain Sports here in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're going to be talking about Steri Pen today. We're going to cover a handful of models. We've got the Steri Pen Classic, the Journey LCD, we have the Steri Pen Adventurer, and the new Steri Pen Freedom. So a large question with UV light purifiers are, how do they work? They actually disrupt the DNA of the microbes, and it does this in seconds. It kills viruses, it kills bacteria, and it kills protozoas all in less than a minute. That makes all of these guys safe for all kinds of drinking water and makes them fantastic for backpacking, for hiking, for international travels, and for natural disasters. It's a great thing to have in your back pocket for times of need in water. So what's great about Steri Pen? None of these require pumping, none of these require test strips, none of these have the ability of clogging, and they don't have a chemical aftertaste of many of the chemical purifiers that are out on the market. These guys work within 90 seconds. They clean in a quantity of half a liter or a liter, all within 45 seconds or 90 seconds. One of the best things about Steri Pen is their ease of use. We're going to use the Journey LCD Steri Pen, and we're going to work with this cup of water. Steri Pen, the Journey LCD has an LCD screen here. It will have a smiley face when your water's clean, and it will also have a battery life to tell you and signify the life of the battery. Turn this guy on. We will double tap this button to signify that it is for half a liter of water, which will be the volume in this glass. When it's on, we stick it in the water. The UV light will automatically come on. It has a water sensing on it. And from here, we swirl it around in the water so it touches as much of the water as possible. And currently, right now on the LCD screen, there's a countdown that's telling me when the water will be safe to drink. What's great about all Steri Pens is there's no pumping, there's no test strips, there's no clogging of any sorts, and like all the chemicals that are used, there's no chemical aftertaste or anything of that nature with Steri Pen. It's just nice, clean water. One possibility with water is that there's going to have particulates in it, so we might have to use a pre-filter that Steri Pen makes. You can also use anything from a coffee filter to a handkerchief to filter out the particulates. That's it, guys. You now have safe drinking water. After that, the water is 100% safe to drink. This came out of a tap, so it's still safe to drink. So, a couple of features with the Adventure and the Freedom. If we hold the button for 3 consecutive seconds, we now have a flashlight. So anytime that you're out at a water source, forget a headlight or anything in the nature, you have a backup flashlight, which can be very handy at times. Just tap it to turn it off. Now the Freedom is new from Steri Pen. This guy actually has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, much like a cell phone, much like any of our electronics that we have. It comes with a USB or a wall mount, so you can use an auxiliary hookup. You can plug this up to a solar panel that you might have for all backpackers that travel with solar panels. This gives you the electronic capability for the Steri Pen family. It's an awesome accessory to it. Well guys, after covering some Steri Pen, thank you for listening. Again, this is Mike Smith with Blue Ridge Mountain Sports, reminding you to have fun, be kind, and do the right thing. Hope to see you out there.
Blue Ridge Mountain Sports. Be kind, have fun, and do the right thing.